Freedom isn't just a destination, it's a way of living, and now there's a caravan built to power that freedom. It's the 2025 48-volt Jayco Adventurer, designed for Australia, engineered for independence, and made to go where the others stop. The Adventurer is more than just tough. It's intelligently engineered for off-grid journeys. The aluminium frame construction, stronger and lighter than timber, rests on a hot-dip galvanized endurance chassis for superior strength and corrosion resistance. Now, the fiberglass exterior is hail and dent resistant, fully insulated and easy to clean with a high gloss finish. The composite one-piece floor is lightweight and waterproof, and the roof, well, it's a single domed fiberglass shell, one piece, no joins, and thermally efficient. Now, underneath it all is Jayco's vacuum bonded tough frame, which ensures maximum durability and insulation. The 48-volt off-grid power system really sets the Adventurer apart with a 105 amp hour lithium battery. Now you compare that to a 12-volt system and you've got over 400 amp hours of lithium. There's a 4,000 watt inverter charger and 4 250 watt solar panels, which all feature that twin cell tech. It delivers true independence. Even in partial shade, this system really performs. From the powered awning to the sealed joins and UV stable finishes, every surface is made to perform. And one of my favourite features is the front upgraded toolbox with the side access. Now you've got protective gas bottle covers, dual jerry can holders, and out back, a rear bumper with full width storage drawer, spare wheel, and rugged design features that keep your gear secure. Underneath the Jayco Adventurer, the JTECH 2.0 airbag suspension by Cruisemaster delivers more than just smooth travel. It brings smooth leveling technology, greater ground clearance, and increased control. Whether you're setting up for the night or adjusting ride height with your phone, comfort really is built in. Inside, every detail is designed to make extended travel feel like home. There's a luxury Tempur queen mattress, CNC three-way interlocking cabinetry with premium finishes and structural integrity. Leatherette seating with the option to upgrade to full leather for durability. Forget camp food, this is gourmet off the grid because you've got a 48-volt induction dual cooktop with range hood, a convection microwave oven, stainless steel sink with filtered water tap, and a massive 224 litre 12-volt fridge with freezer drawer, all powered silently from your lithium system. The Jayco Adventurer keeps you in control with a 7-inch smart control module, which shows you everything: your battery life, tank levels, lighting, and climate control. Plus, there's an app, so you can control everything with your phone. And yes, it's Starlink ready for satellite connectivity wherever you are around Australia. Let's be honest, after a long day of exploring, one of the things you really want is a hot shower, and you can do that in your full ensuite. There's a separate shower and toilet, large vanity, towel storage, and even an onboard 3.3 kilo washing machine. It really is comfort wherever you park. The 48-volt Adventurer is packed with features, but if you're wanting to extend your off-grid stay, you can upgrade things like a diesel heater. Best to have a chat with your local Jayco dealer to find out more. So there it is, the 48-volt Jayco Adventurer. It isn't just a caravan, it's your key to freedom. Built with purpose, loaded with intelligent systems, and backed by Jayco's nationwide service network. You can go further, stay longer, and explore deeper with the 48-volt Jayco Adventurer.